This episode is brought to you by FairDesk, a crypto derivatives trading platform founded by 6 former Binance execs and 3 former Morgan Stanley architects. FairDesk is a company focused on building a platform that enables traders to profit from both rising and falling markets. Sign up today and CB will credit you up to $600 in trading funds. For more information, visit fairdesk.com, link in the description below.
Fuck it! Do it live! I'll write it and we'll do it live!
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks! We'll do it live.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Hope everyone's doing well today. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis with yours truly, Crypto Blood. Doing my white boy voice. Hope everyone's doing well today. We got Apex Cypher in the building. Ill Cryptmatic is here with us as well. Thank you for tuning in. First of all, public service announcement. Need you guys to get over there. Pause the video. Well, don't pause it because you don't want to lose where we are because we're doing it live. But get over there and smack that like button. Scroll on up. Give us a smack, please. I need your help. The algos. That's the only way people will see this video and this channel. So get over there. Smack those like buttons for me, please. Thank you. And let's get it going. We also got Mr. B here in the building with us. Thanks for tuning in, Mr. B. Jason Mack is here. We've got Bitcoin Man is here with this look like an old fashioned maybe there. I don't know what you're sipping on there, brother. Smacking those like Debo. Yes. Yes. 151 here in the building. How about them beer market rallies? I think he's talking about bear market rallies. And boy, listen, this is why I just take my system, my strategy, and I code it into an automated system. So I don't get wrapped up in my feelings, because boy did I think we were about to go to ATL. We're going to get to that. I thought we were heading to 17.5 without a shadow of a doubt. Everything lined up. We had a quick wick up. That's normal when news drops, and then we start to drop, and we were getting that bag. We did take on Bitcoin. We literally sold the bottom. I'll show you in Bloodalytics here in a second. But yeah, I thought we were heading lower. And it just started to rally. Short covering, whatever. I got another. As you guys saw in the thumbnail there. Plunge protection team. We're going to go into that. If you guys don't know about that group, I'm going to enlighten you a little bit. Minho is here in the building. Had feels all over by Bitcoin. Yo, Broke Oshi, what's going on, man? Thanks for tuning in. Got to run in 15. All right, brother. Maybe have to catch the rerun. What, CB? Yeah, it was a crazy morning. Absolutely crazy. But we made some money. We made out with some money, and we're actually up right now. So, we'll go through all that here in a second. But, Bloodalytics.com. Check it out. Monthly in review coming up on the 15th, this Saturday, second month performance review. Hope to see you guys tune in there if you're interested in joining Bloodalytics. If you sign up with the link below with FairDesk, you will get a very, very big discount. All right. So if you sign up, send me your UID number after signing up in front of your account, and I will give you a discount to sign up for Bloodalytics. We got Brit VR here in the building. Tommy Brown is here as well. Brits and the Pound out here helping the Dixie go down. Not real. Well, I don't know. I didn't hear any news from Great Britain today from the UK. All I know is that the Dixie was rallying, almost touched I think 114 today before everything turned the other way around, and it was coordinated. And again, this is why I think it was the Plunge protection team back in business. Okay, they were really active. At least that was always the theories back in 2008, 9, really like 2009, 10, 11, 12, all the way up until like 2018. Plunge protection team, at least a lot of people thought they were behind a lot of the dips and corrections we were supposed to have, but didn't, so so we'll take a look at that here in a second. Stock markets, as you guys know, rallied strong today, guys. Closed 827. This is crazy. Dow is up 2.8%. S&P 500 up 2.6%. NASDAQ up 2.2%. VIX down, not much though, because it was at 32 when everything was tanking. Well, I guess 4.8% is down significantly, percentage-wise. Even the Russell 2K was up almost 2.5%. So there you have it. I mean, man, rally it was. Let me do a refresh because I know that's not what the current article is on CNBC. Dow closes 2.8% higher, rolling back after a historic turnaround. Yeah, this is what a bear market rally looks like for sure. Apex said BlackRock buy order filled. Well, BlackRock seems to be in some trouble. I didn't cover that today, but maybe we'll cover that tomorrow. The invisible hand saved the markets. Yeah, the invisible hand of the Plunge protection team, PPT. We're not talking about Populous, that old whack job. What's that guy's name that ran Populous? Nico. Now, I ain't talking about Nico, not that PPT. We're talking about Plunge protection team. I'll get into the details here in a second. D Fuente is here in the building. Bang, bang, bang. H. No blockchain. Okay, there's no blockchain in the name anymore. Are you? What's going on here, man? Don't give up on the blockchain, please. Largest one-day reversal in stock market since January 24th. I think pre-market high to open low daily was 9%. Yeah, insane. That's really what is so crazy and shocking to me. It's not what we ended on, like how much above market open we ended. It's the peak to trough or trough to peak. It's that delta, that change was insane. Griff in the building. Squeeze of the week. Squeeze of the year. How about that, man? Squeeze of the year. That emergency meeting came in handy. Yeah, right. Exactly. Minho knows what I'm talking about. Still not convinced the bottom is in. No, me either. I'm not either. Now the blockchain is life, just too long of a name. I hear you, man. I hear you. So again, Dixie, as you guys can see here on the screen, it's down today, almost 1%, 112.47. But earlier in the day, you see the 5-day chart here on CNBC. This was the peak earlier today, 113.71 roughly. So that is a big move in the opposite direction for the Dixie. I want to look at what we have going on here with Solana, one of my favorite blockchains, guys. My favorite. Decentralized Solana? Decentralized trading platform Mango. Oh, not Solana. Solana being decentralized. Okay, I got it now. Decentralized Solana-based trading platform Mango reportedly hit by a $100 million exploit. I saw this yesterday. Didn't have a chance to squeeze this in, but yeah, they got. They definitely got. Let me ask you something. Can a DApp be decentralized if it's on top of a centralized blockchain? Somebody answer that question for me in the comments below. Toltec said, "Get ready for the volatility." Yeah, I'm ready for it. I've been waiting for it actually, because we're gonna make some moves either way it goes, up or down. Bloodalytics squad is going to exploit those markets. On Tuesday evening, Mango noted on Twitter that there was an incident involving an attacker draining funds. That's what happened to accounts funded with USDC. Took an outsized position in Mango Perp. Mango Perp. Underlying Mango USD prices on various exchanges. All right, so whatever the exploit is or was, it happened. This was not So Outer Sack said this is not a flash loan attack. The attacker addresses were funded 5.5 million via FTX. It appears the attacker manipulated prices across all exchanges, not just Solana oracles. So what happens in a scenario? How do you guys think this should be treated? Is this really like a is this a crime? Exploiting a bug in some software? Does that constitute a crime? Should this person go to jail? Let me know how you guys feel about a scenario like this, because I'm unsure. To be honest with you, I'm kind of unsure. The attacker created a 480 million mango perp. Mango perp sounds like a Kush weed strain. Mango perp. Position and counter traded themselves on another account. Then they manipulated the price of mango up across a number of exchanges, borrowing against their unrealized mango gains to drain the protocol. Wow. So really, can we blame Solana on this situation? Yes. Just because. Just because. I'm going to blame them for the sorry, that was a trade alert there. Give me 1 second. Gotta take profits. Hold up, wait a minute. Give me 1 second, ladies and gents. Yeah, that was that is interesting. Let me know how you guys feel about that situation. Should they be held accountable, or is that something that's just really like, you know, an exploit, and you shouldn't have to take, you shouldn't have any responsibility for that? I don't know, man. Let me know in the comments though. Let's see what some of these big wave surfing season is here. Mango perpetuals. Okay, mango perpetuals. Sounds like a weed strain to me. If you leave a window open, exactly. I don't know, man, but yes, this another. I don't know if I want to call this a black eye for Solana. Not really, but they already knocked out. Mike Tyson already knocked those guys out. They've had too many outages this year. Just one on September 30th, actually. A major outage was over a few hours. But this is more specifically Mango Perp. So just wanted to let you guys know about that. We did see a bounce because, ironically enough, before this rally today, Solana was actually broke a milestone. It dipped under $30. It dipped under $30, and it is down 88.2% from its all-time high. This is, to me, guys, these are numbers you really can't recover from. Look at that, 88.2% from its all-time high. Not interested in this one. Actually, I think I know there. I would buy Solana. I would buy Solana at $0. That's where I would buy Solana. That's exactly where I would buy Solana. But this guy made a very good point on Twitter today. He says, sad record today. 4 DeFi hacks in 24 hours. He said Web3 won't go mainstream without security as a common layer on top of which everything else emerges. By keeping your private keys offline, Ledger's secure platform should be your main entry point to Web3. I agree with this, but that is a tall task for the everyday person. So how far are we from seeing Web3 really take flight? I don't know. You guys kind of give me your 2 satoshis on this, but I thought this was a great tweet from this individual here on Twitter earlier today, and it did get some love on that. So yeah, for sure, I agree with him. This is kind of off the topic really quickly. I don't know if you guys saw all the damn YouTube influencers out there drinking and repping this, and I don't drink energy drinks, but this Bang, I started seeing this Bang everywhere. There's one of those YouTubers had a Bang chain made. I was like, okay, I don't know what this is, but if you guys ever seen this, well, they actually filed for bankruptcy, and it was I saw this earlier today. Yeah, man, they're in big trouble slew of legal issues. So it says here, a combination of legal damages, a failed distribution deal, and stagnant sales have overwhelmed the Miami-based energy drink maker and its founder, unraveling what some observers call the most improbable success story in the beverage industry. Bang's parent company owes more than $500 million to its arch rival Monster Beverage Co. and a small California juice maker. It owes another $115 million to PepsiCo Inc., its old distributor. Interesting. That's crazy, bro. Just wanted to let you guys know about that. Bang, it has been banged, if that makes any sense. Kaniz says, I think that the next pump sell-off of Solana cause of all the downtime they had. I don't understand what you're saying, brother. You got to help me out. Gus Rodriguez, excuse me. You sure that was an alert or not? You rolled over on your I don't have a cat, man. I don't have a cat. I got a dog. No cat. No cat. Calvin 3X is in the building. More Fed injections of funny money making the market go higher. The Wizard of Oz. Yes, yes. When that news about Bang crossed the wire, it confused me. Why? Bang was big in the West 2 years ago for us construction workers. Okay. Yeah, I started seeing it a lot maybe last year. Apex is getting a little X-rated on us. I'm not even gonna repeat that one, but yeah, I hear you, Apex. Bang is dead. Yep, you're right. That's crazy, man. Next energy drink is Prime. I haven't heard of that one. I don't drink energy drinks. How many of you guys drink energy drinks? Do you think that at the next pump there will be a big sell-off of Solana because they've been down so much? I don't know, man. It's crazy because, you know, these altcoins go up for no reason, just as long as Bitcoin is going up, and they go down just because Bitcoin goes down. So who knows, man? I don't follow Solana fundamentally or even technically, so I couldn't tell you. Man. Energy drinks are full of unhealthy ingredients. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. That's not really the reason why I don't drink them. I drink coffee, so I don't know if that's any better, but it is what it is. Let's look at Binance, man. Speaking of burning or banging, well, actually burning, that doesn't correlate at all. You could get burned from banging, but that's a whole other conversation. Binance Exchange burns $547 million worth of BNB tokens. Yes, another burn, the 21st one actually. BNB was burned. Let me see here. It says here that they added 4,833 BNBs to through its Pioneer Burn program. It was burned through their Pioneer Burn program, a mechanism that helps users who have lost their digital assets through honest mistakes. I didn't even know BNB had this program. Did you guys know that? I didn't know anything about this. D Fuente says Red Bull, G Fuel. Okay. So I didn't know about this Pioneer Burn program. That's pretty neat. That's a neat feature to have. So, you know, people who have lost their funds by mistake, they have a fund for you. I guess you have to go through all these loopholes and stuff to, you know, show that you actually made a mistake. I don't know how they verify that, but they do. So here it is. They put a tweet out 25th or 21st. 21st? Are you serious? Am I missing something here? Should it be 21st or 21st? Anyway, this is their 21st burn event, guys. Binance committed to burn 20% of its profits for each quarter. The 21st quarterly burn, BNB burn, is one of the largest amounts burned in BNB history in terms of its fiat value. Yeah, this is neat. I didn't know they were that aggressive on burning their tokens. So I was already a fan of Binance token. Told everyone on my channel to buy it at $5. I hope you guys did that. I ended up selling mine at like, I think $19, $20. But I made money. I didn't lose money. But I've been, I have BNB now, but I don't have it at those prices. Omnibone said 21st. Okay. Hey, if they like it, I love it. Go Panama said, I've been saying it. Be careful of being too bearish. Seems like the bottom may be in. Nah, I can't. I don't see it being in. Go Panama, just simply because of all of the fundamental issues we still have ahead of us. This just means, and I'm going to get back to this wild ride we had today. I thought I had an article that went over this, but this was a wild day in cryptos. And if I go to the technicals really quickly, because I didn't cover this at the beginning, but we look at these technicals, man, good God almighty, like that was a reversal of the year. However, guess where we at? Guess where we're right back, and we're seeing some resistance. That's why Bloodalytics told me to sell. You heard the cat sound. That is the alert to get the hell out of the way. I just took some profits on, I'll show you in a minute which one it was. But we're starting to see some resistance here right at the edge, at the bottom of that channel, guys. This was strong. This was a very bullish move right here. Very, very bullish. But I'm not convinced. I am not convinced. But I could be wrong for sure. We are back above this trend line right here. I'll change that color to something like that. All right. So we are back above this trend line. This is now support for me. So it does look bullish technically, but fundamentally we are nowhere near being bullish in stocks or in cryptos. I will say this is the one benefit of being pegged to TradFi, traditional finance. Now, I'm always talking about why are we so correlated with the traditional markets? At least now, when they manipulate the traditional markets, we're gonna get manipulated up as well, or they don't manipulate down, but yeah, this is what happens. So we're gonna get that now. So the Fed just increased their balance sheet again. Yeah, man. Yeah, they got 3 days. Yep, this is going to be interesting. Back to sideways action. I don't know. I mean, as Red River said here, tomorrow is the I think last day for the pensions or something to do whatever they were supposed to do. So that could be the catalyst for another violent rally back down. Some of the most violent rallies coming. The most violent rallies come in the bear market, because it's pressure on, you have short sellers and then you have people buying. So when short sellers cover, that's a buying event. So you got two people buying, essentially. Double the buying. But I want to show you guys Bloodalytics, man. We made out very well today. As you guys can see on the Bitcoin. I'm going to show you Bitcoin first. We went short on Bitcoin at last night. Late last night, like 10:30 something o'clock last night. So we were just trading. The news came out here. Boom. That's 8:30. We sold. We took half our profits down here. Boom. Locked in all that. Give me my money. And we rallied back up. So this dot, these blue dots on the shorts, that's where we entered. That's near our entry price. So we ended up still, even with the rest of the trade we had on the table, we didn't lose. So then we went long here. This was around 12:30 today. And we're in the money on that. Okay. Ethereum went short last night, 10:30 roughly p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Took half our profits here this morning at 6:30. This was the 8:30 number. We had the whippy, and Plunge protection team just rallied us on back up, and we went long here. Just took profits live in your face. as you guys see there. And hey, I mean, I took 50% off the table. I'll let the rest ride out and see wherever it goes. But again, I personally, feelings, which you should take feelings out of trading, I felt like we would be heading lower to 17.5, which is right here. I had it on here. Let me see here. I had a horizontal line on here. I don't see it anymore. Maybe I didn't save it, but I did have Young Jeezy, Mr. 17.5, a horizontal line there as the next target. I just knew we were going there. Just knew it. But I'll put it back in there and save this chart so we have that for reference in the future. I thought when we were down here, I'm like, oh yeah, buddy, we were literally only 3% away from the end of Bitcoin. So I'm impressed with the buying pressure, but not really. It's not specific to Bitcoin. Like if it was only cryptos, then I would be even more impressed. It was both cryptos and TradFi, traditional finance. So it is what it is. When QE from the Fed again? Not happening. Inflation. We just saw the numbers, Sasha. The inflation numbers are high. Starting QE would be detrimental. They would get literally civil war because people wouldn't be able to take it. 275 basis are now on the cards. Yes, I did see that. After the news came out, now we have a 75 for November and a 75 for December. This is about to be out of control. Mortgage rates are already at 7%. You might as well just say, we're going to be damn near 8% on mortgage rates. Ain't nobody buying a home. This is why I say fundamentally, this is not going to last. These rallies are not going to last, ladies and gents. So, hey, figure out how you're going to trade it if you're an active trader. Figure out, if you're still, kind of long, figure out where to fade the rallies or sign up for Bloodalytics.com. That'll just kind of solve a lot of your issues. But that is, I think that's it for today. Let me see if I covered everything. I have BitBoy, 5 o'clock today. Tune in. I'll be live on Around the Blockchain with some of my fellow crypto friends and associates. All right. So make sure you guys tune in. Make sure you thumbs up. We got 53 people in the building. There's no reason why we shouldn't have 53 thumbs up right now. You're watching me and you're not hitting the thumbs up. You're not actually supporting me. So please make sure you do that ASAP. Let's see how our job's supposed to go down per month. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think come November 75 will happen. 25 to 50. Really? Nah, I don't think so, bro. Ad is in the building. Thank you for tuning in, my friend. 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yes, sir. Hi, low. Come on over to BitBoy channel. I'll be on there. Support me. Get in that chat room, man. They don't like to. They snub CB every time I get on there. They never let CB win. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. So yeah, that's it. Another episode of My Two Satoshis with yours truly, Crypto Blood. I'm out of here. Holla. Oh, guys, before I go, I forgot to go over the Plunge protection team stuff. So hold your horses. Don't go anywhere. Let me come back on this screen. Got to show you this stuff for those that don't know about the Plunge protection team. So let me do that really quickly, guys. So hold your horses. Let's go over that really quickly. So the Plunge protection team really is called the Working Group on Financial Markets. And this is a real group. This is what we called the Plunge protection team a lot back in 2008, 2009. And yeah, President's Working Group on Financial Markets, known colloquially as the Plunge Protection Team, or PPT, was created by executive order in 1988, ladies and gents. As established by the executive order, the working group has three purposes and functions. Recognize the goal of enhancing the integrity, efficiency, orderliness, and competitiveness of our nation's financial markets. I can stop right there. Honestly, I can stop right there. That's it. So, of course, they got the call from Sleepy Joe. Well, not Sleepy Joe. He was sleeping. But his assistant, can't even say vice president because she's nowhere to be found. But somebody called in and said, go ahead, bid us up. Even though this is bad news, bid the markets up, because we need to stay sustained up until the mid-elections, the midterms, I think. So you're going to continue to see this. Just my opinion. So I just wanted to make sure you guys knew about this group. It's no theory. It's no conspiracy theory. It's conspiracy fact. The working group shall consult as appropriate with representatives of the various exchanges, clearinghouses, self-regulatory bodies, and with major market participants to determine private sector solutions wherever possible. The working group shall report to the president initially within 60 days on its progress and, if appropriate, its views on any recommended legislative changes. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. I had to leave you with that one. Had to drop that nugget on you. PPT, you know me. There it is. Working group on financial markets is why we had this move up, in my opinion, which then caused your short coverings, your short squeezes, all of that. That's what happened. Jerome, Seba said Janet called Jerome. Yeah, then Gensler. There you go. There you go. There you go. Janet Jerome Gensler. That can be a rap song right there. Call the PPT, and I ain't talking about populist. Who? Oh, man. Yesterday, Janet Yellen said she was worried about liquidity of the U.S. Treasuries. Yeah, man, come on, man. Listen, this was not good news for the markets at all. At all. Like, we should be down today over 8% in the markets. Bitcoin should be testing that 17.5, going to see Young Jeezy. But again, they're giving the market time. This dip, this run back up, gives it more time. Even if it fades, at least we have a fade that maybe will happen down the road after the midterms, possibly. But they're just trying to give it time. That's what it is, ladies and gents. So I just wanted to leave you with that. Forgot to go over the most important part of today's episode. That's my 2 Satoshis for real this time. I got to go. I'm out of here. Holla.
Fuck it! Do it live! I'll write it and we'll do it live!
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks! We'll do it live.
Okay.